I'm not a Pinteresty girl, but welcome to my tiny little house tour. This is the place I've called home for the past 2 years. This is not going to be a aesthetic, super crazy home tour. It's a very small room with kitchen space and washroom inside and a one single room. If you're someone who enjoys simple little home tours, I hope you will enjoy this one. I am paying 7,000 rupees per month as a rent in Hyderabad, 500 rupees as a maintenance fee for this. So I think it's a bit high. I'll show you everything, how I have organized everything in my room, how I have fitted all the things which I wanted to, and a little bit about how I ended up here in the first place. So actually I have been living in the hostel from the age of 3 and until 24. After ruining my health in staying hostels, I always wanted to create my own space, eat healthy, cook my own meals, trying something new by living alone. So that is why I have took this room. So yeah, let's get into my tiny little home tour. So as soon as we enter, we would be seeing this table and the side. It is a small space for kitchen. Actually, I have pretty much all the basic things which we need to have for cooking. And for me, gas stove is the more convenient one rather than the induction stove, because for induction stove we need electricity and we only cook one dish at a time, and here I can put rice and curry at once and it saves a lot of time. And I have all the basic utensils. Also, I'll show you how I've organized. So these are plates. I know for one there are many plates because I thought to, like, some days my parents will come, some days my friends will come, and these are all basic masalas and all additional ones. There is also a masala box for me. So this is a masala box which I regularly use and fill it whenever it is completed from the other boxes. And this is a table which contains all my daily needs. So I'll be using warm water, honey, and also with lemon. So that is why I bought two honey boxes. And these are seeds which I will put in the oats jar. And this is my oats jar. So this is a ghee, and this is oats packet. So all the regular stuff which I am using, I'll put on this table so that it will be easy for me. And the down we will have all the tomatoes, onions, and this is a washing utensils, and this is a very small sink. And one thing in the kitchen we need to must have is the pressure cooker, even it might be a small one or a big one. So we need to have pressure cooker, because whenever I am running out of time, I would simply put rice and dal and pour some water and then put it for 10 to 15 minutes. It will be cooked, and I'll put ghee and podi kind, and we'll eat that. It is a lifesaver for us in the kitchen. So if you are planning, just make sure you have a pressure cooker. So that's it for the kitchen. Now let's go to the next part. Now let's move on to the shelves part. Looks cluttered, but this is all I have. More than this, I can't arrange it in a very proper way. So this is my regular clothes use shelf. These all are my jeans, and these are some bags, office bag and other bags for outing. And these two I need to take to home. I'm leaving to home now, so I'll be taking these two bags to home. And the above ones are, these are traditional clothes, so which I won't use much at all. And yeah, just for the sake of it, these are here. Whenever I need, then only I'll use it. And these are all other stuff. And the below also, not nothing much is there. This is a mixer, this is a rice jar, and these are having some snacks which my mom sent to me from home. So that is it about the shelf. Nothing much to show you. And beside we have two hangers, and mostly I'll put the for this side all my bags and all, and this side I'll put all the clothes which should not go into shelves. So yeah, this is my new lehenga. I need to attend a marriage soon, so my father bought it from home. I think I need to plan something else to look it a bit nicer. Yeah, let's see. And the most interesting part for me in this whole room, which I love, is my study table, my work table, my workspace. Let me show you what I have all on my table, okay? Into this is my small notebook. Wherever I go, I'll take this, and whatever ideas I get, whatever I want to create or do something, I'll be writing in this book. So this is my book which is always there with me. And One is my personal laptop and this is my office laptop. So I have recently covered with this cloth. It feels so nice. It adds, because it's white and this is also white. I wanted to add some color to it, so I bought this cloth. It's also one where I'll take this wherever I go, and it's very useful. It's from a brand Solara, and it costed me around 1300. Almost the hot water stays until 6 hours in this as is, and cold water some 12 hours. So it is very useful one. And this is a clock. This is a timer, stopwatch, and this is a pens box. So I have put one rose. This is gifted by my friend to me. So it adds a color pop to whole table. Very good to see. So I have put in my pens box and added it here on the table. And I have the basic light. When I am studying or writing or reading a book, I'll be using this. So that's it for the table part. And most of the people have asked about me from where I have got this table. I've got this from IKEA. And whatever the products I am showing you, a new one, this bottle and this timer or this laptop table and all, I'll be this cloth and all, I'll be linking it in the description, so please do check it out. Yeah, that's pretty much about the table. And so many of you have asked about this chair as well. Initially I have IKEA chair, so slowly I have shifted because my back is aching, so I have shifted to this ergonomic chair from Wakefit. I'll also link this one. That's about the study table and study chair as well. So now we will quickly get into the my bookshelf. And this is the upper part of the shelf. This is all what I have here. I have a calendar here, and this is a small cute flower kind, so which is gifted by my friend for the last birthday of mine, and it is so cute. She made it with her own hands, so I just want to put it here. And this is a candle. I hadn't lit any time until now. I'm a bit confused. Just for the show purpose I kept there. And this is a painting which I have done along with my friends. And life is a beautiful ride. This reminds me every time that everything is beautiful, and whatever comes, whatever problems comes, that too shall pass kind. It reminds me about that thing. And there is one more thing which is a cube. I won't use much. Kept it there like that. And coming to the below shelf, these are all the books. Some are fiction, some are non-fiction. And currently, I am reading this book, Steal Like an Artist book. The answer is no book, written by Frederick Backman. Want any recommendations from these or interested, please let me know. I'll do a separate video for the books. And now coming to the shelf, these are ACCA books I have already started. And this is my iPad, and this is my daily journal planner kind. And yeah, this is a bit more clumsy. These all contains the wires, my power bank, and all other electronic stuff here. This is my stationery. So this is all about my study table bookshelf. And beside I have a fridge. This is also I purchased when I came here because I felt it's necessary to have this. Now coming to the most important part is my little corner about this plant. I've recently bought it before 1 month. It's really nice, cool to see the plant here. And this is my mirror corner, actually made by the carpenter, and I don't have any links for the mirror part, but I'll find a similar ones and link it if you want. And now coming to my bed part, don't have cot in the start, but later I felt I need to have it, and I bought it. And this costed me around 2000, I think. The cot and the mattress also costed me around 1500 to 2000, I think. This is my resting place. So I have put the fairy lights. Those look very good during the night time. And also I have a clock there. And to the corner, this is the IKEA chair. Before having the Wakefit chair, I use it to use this. And this is my yoga mat. I'm not using much this one because I'm going to gym regularly and only using it for doing plank in the morning per storage shelf. So this is my trolley where I'll be using for going to trips. We'll have this kind of shelves in every house. And I have a very decent washroom. So this is the mirror which I generally shoot while brushing and all. This is my brush holder which I put. This is, I bought it from Amazon, I think. So yeah, I think I've shown you pretty much every corner of my tiny little room. And actually, I never thought I would end up here for more than 2 years, staying in this small room. It has taught me so much. This room has seen every version of me, every happiness, every excitement, every problem, my UPSC journey, my UPSC failure, and how I have moved on from that, and how I am again started living my life, and so many ups and downs and everything. It is really a very close to my heart. Actually, I am also planning to shift to a bigger house from here to some 1 BHK near to my office. So maybe by this year end. Definitely not the biggest or aesthetic room I have. I've learned a lot from living here, managing everything on my own. If anyone want to try to live alone, just check the basic things. If you have a kitchen or washroom inside or any one window in the room and shelves to put your clothes, organize your clothes. Just check some few points, and if you are a woman, just take care to have the peephole to the door. Install the peephole. It doesn't cost much. It just costs some 200 to 300 rupees to install a peephole to the door. And also check whether this apartment or wherever you are living in is having any CC camera, so it for the safety purposes. So yeah, that's all I want to say, and hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next Sunday. So until then, bye bye.